So hello, welcome back everyone. So in first part we have seen that introduction about Mendeley. Then we also have seen about how we can create an account on Mendeley.com. We also have seen how we can download Mendeley desktop. We also have seen how we can install plugin to MS Word. But I did not completed this 2 point from part 1, that is how we can install the browser plugin and how we can create a folder on Mendeley desktop. Right? So I will first of all finish these two and then we will start with the part 2. Right? So as this is you can see Mendeley desktop. So here you can see that it is this is an option from where we can install this web importer, as well as we can install the MS Word plugin. So how we can see that the plugin has been installed in MS Word or not? So for that particular purpose, what we have to do, we have to go to this MS Word, right? And if you go to this reference option, right? So here there is an option called as what insert citation. Then you also have this insert bibliography and open Mendeley, right? So this means as these options now appearing over here, it means our plugin has been installed, right? Then we will see how we can install this browser plugin. So for that particular purpose, what we have to do, we have to just click on this install web importer. Right? If you click on this install web importer, right, so it will go to this browser. So it is giving directly, it is saying now get web importer for the Chrome, right? So if you just click on this, right, this particular link over here, right, so it automatically install this plugin, or you can say web importer. Once it install plugin to this I can say web importer, sorry, not web importer, browser. So in this particular right hand corner we will get an this particular kind of an icon, right? So this is Mendeley icon. This means the web importer has been installed to your browser. So this is you have to say sign in. You have to click on this sign in, right? So as per your email ID and password, just click on this, it gives an information, or it display what are the different kind of an article we already have been in our library, right? So this web importer library. So if you just click on this this kind of an icon, once it comes, right, so if you just click on this view library, so it will show the library. So all document, if you click on this all document, so these are what can see all the kind of an research article which I have added to my library, right? And it has been synchronized with Mendeley desktop, right? So if you see over here, right, in this particular corner there is option like add, folder, related, synchronize, right? So it has been synchronized now over here right now. See, it has been synchronized with what? Mendeley web. So if you just click on this, right, if it is recently any article through web importer you have been added over there, if you just click on this synchronize, that particular article will come on this Mendeley desktop as well, right? So this is how we can install the web importer. Now the next option is how we can create folder into our library, right? So before this discussing how we can create a folder, so I want to demonstrate you what are these various kind of options are there which is available or which is been displayed on this particular Mendeley desktop, right? So if you see there are various kind of an option like file, right? Edit, view, tool, help, right? So these are what can say various options which are available on Mendeley desktop. Then in this particular side, in this particular corner, if you see, it is saying what literature search, right? So likewise, we have in various kind of search engine, right? So Mendeley itself has its search engine for literature or scholar article, right? So if you type your term or any keyword related with your research, right, and if you just click on this literature search, once we enter the term, it will give the various kind of research article which is present in this particular search engine, right? The next is the all document, means what are the different kind of literatures you have added to your library, right? That all the document is been displayed over here. Then you also will see the what are the recently added research article present in your library. What are the recently read article, you have read those article from your library, right? What are your favorite articles, right? So if you just put a star, golden star on in front of this particular article, it means it is your favorite article. Then what are the article which need review, means what happened that once we download or once we add some kind of a literature article, so some article missing some kind of an information, means like some article don't have page number, some article don't have the volume number, some don't have issue number, some don't have, you can say, the detailed information about the authors, right? So what we have to do, we have to manually add that particular information if it is not been available, right? So it is automatically showing the what are the kind of an article which need the review, right? So in this particular corner, it is saying, right, like it needs a review. All this article needs to get through various kind of an review in order to settle that particular the information which is not being present, right? And you can create your own database or the library of your own publication as well, right? Then you also can you can say the create folder over here, right? So these are the kind of a folder which I have been created, and in this particular folder these articles are there, right? So likewise this is, you can see the information which is the various kind of options which are present over here. So we are discussing now how we can create a folder, right? So in this particular corner there is an option called as folder, right? So on this plus folder and plus sign, if you click on here, right, so it is saying the new folder, right? So new folder, what we can do, we can just as per your you can say choice, you can give the name, right? So I will give my name like Manoj, right? And if I just click over here, right, so it is Manoj, and now currently it don't have, you can say, any kind of an article, right? So folder you can create from this particular option also, right? And inbuilt here also it has an various kind of it has an option to create a folder, right? So it's just down, if you go just down below this, right, it has an what can say the option for creating a folder, right? So if you just click on folder, like I will write Damali. Okay, so the new folder has been added over here, Damali. Right? So likewise we can create a folder over here, right? So this is the end of, we can say, part 1, right? Right? So from part 2 we will going to discuss over here is how we can enter the reference to Mendeley desktop, how we can use Mendeley search engine in order to search the literature information, how we can use the browser Mendeley web importer or plugin in order to do the literature search, Then how we can add the single file, how we can add the folder to the mainly desktop, how we can add, you can say, watch folder, or how we can do the manual entry of the references to the mainly desktop. So one by one we will see. The first is reference entry to the mainly. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to go to this file. Okay, so we are learning about how we can enter the reference information to this mainly desktop. So for that particular purpose, what we have to do, we have to search the literature information. Okay, so we are discussing that how we can add the literature information to the mainly desktop. So the first thing is what we can do, we can use the Mendeley search engine, right? So if you just click on here, right, Mendeley search engine, Mendeley search, so we will get this kind of, and can see the search option. So what I can do, depending upon my the research interest, what I want to search, I will put that keyword, right? So suppose I want to search regarding cancer, right? So I will just put the keyword cancer and say the enter. So this is you can say the available information in mainly literature database regarding the cancer, right? So these are the many articles which are present over here, right? So this is, you can say, like first page, like what we used to get on the Google, right? First page, second page, third page, right? So if I click on this load more result, right? So it will load more result as well, right? So likewise depending upon the pages, right? So these many pages are, there are several you can say articles, research article are available on the mainly related with the cancer, right? So depending upon your can say the keyword, you can do the search, right? So suppose I want this information. So suppose I want this information, right? Common terminology criteria for the adverse event. If I just click on this, so in this particular corner I will get an information, right? So this is what this article is. This is an, you can say, the book, right? Type of a book, you can say. Then this is the title, right? So these are the authors, right? This is the publisher, this is the age, sorry, year, then the page number. Now the page number is not available over here, so this is missing information, right? Then abstract is there, right? Then tag, authors, then the city information. If you want to add, you can add, right? Edition, editors, right? So what you can do, depending upon, you can say the information is available with you, you just click on here, right? So depending upon your information, available information, you just fit that information over here and you can save it, right? So if you just click on here now, the save references note, right, option, right? So this data now is automatically been saved, right, to your library, right? So once it is been saved, right, so now in front of this particular article you get this particular tick mark, right? So this means what, this reference now has been added to your library, right? So what you have to do, first of all you have to synchronize it again. So if you just go over here, right, and just put common so here see this particular article, right? So this already been added to my library, the common terminology criteria for the adverse event, right? This been added to my library, right? So likewise you can add the article, right? So this is, you can see how we can do the adding of the article using literature search engine of the Mendeley. Now second, what you can do, you can add by using the web browser. So for that particular purpose, what we have to do, we have to go to the web browser. Okay, so what happens now, most of the time we used to do the literature search by using the Google, and Google has, you can say, Google Scholar, where we have various kind of research literature information. So what I can do is, suppose I go to the Google, and suppose I put my you can say keyword like Zika virus antiviral drugs, right? So I just click on this, right? Now see, it is saying a scholar article for the Zika virus antiviral drug, right? So if I want to see what are the research articles related with the Zika virus antiviral drugs, if I click, right, so these are the many articles which are available on the Google Scholar related with the Zika virus antiviral drugs, right? So while we reading this information, right, so most of the time it has such a kind of an information, right? So where we only has an summary information, right? But summary form the information is, you can say not the complete kind of an information, right? So what we need a complete article, right? So how we can get the complete article of those references, right? So what we have to do, we have to click on this icon of Mendeley Web Importer. So if you just click on this icon, so what it will do, it will search that what are these the list of the article which is available related with the Zika virus antiviral drugs. From those, what are the freely the article who has a freely available PDF, right? So see, these are the can say the articles, right? Zika crystal structure of Zika virus helicase basis on antiviral drug design. Then this particular the information is there, right? So then clinical approved antiviral drugs, so FDA approved sofosbuvir inhibitor of Zika virus, right? Now see, this particular article, right, so which is being shown over here in Google Scholar is available freely. Is available over here also, but it don't have in the PDF, right? So it is checking for the PDF. So suppose you want to just add this particular information, right, of this particular article to your library. So what you have to do, you have to just select that particular article, right? So we are mostly interested with what can see the PDF. So what you can do, you can select those articles, right? So individually you can select one by one, right? So over here, right, so you can click over here on this checkbox, and you can say the my library add, right? So it automatically added to your library. Now see, on this particular icon it is showing what, +1, it is showing 1, right? So likewise you can do, or what you can do is you in this particular library, right? So if you want to don't add into a library, you want to specifically add to your folder, what you can do, from here you can select the folder, right? Just click on this particular folder. Now in my library, this particular folder ABC, in this particular folder, this particular research article information is being saved, right? Or otherwise what you can do, you can just if you want to select all this article, right? So what you can say, select all, right? All the article who have an what PDF available now will be saved to your library. Now see, all those article who has in what PDF, all those article will be saved to your library. So likewise we can add the literature information from the Google Scholar by using web importer directly to your library. Okay? So suppose, what this article you have added by using web importer, that particular article is been added to your library or not, how we can do the, you can say, the search, or how we can search it. Now here we have an, what can say, option to search the library. So that particular article is related with the Zika, right? So you can just put the keyword like Zika, right? Now see over here. So it is saying what crystal structure of Zika virus helicase, basis of the antiviral drug. Now it has been added over here, right? So this has an what PDF, right? So just click on here, right? So here you get an information, right? So if you want to add the abstract information, you can add. If you want to tag information, you can add. If you want the author keyword information, you can add. City information if you want to add, right? So this is the kind of an information you can edit if the information is missing, right? So this is how you can add the article using the web importer. So after looking how into the how we can add the this literature information by using Mendeley search engine and by using, you can say, the web importer, right? How we can directly add the PDF, right? Available PDF into the Mendeley desktop, right? So for that particular purpose, what we have to do, we have to just go to the file and say the add file. So suppose this is in, what can say, the article that I want to add it. So first of all I will clear this, right? So file, add file, right? So this particular article I want to add it. So once it has been added, now see over here it has been in you can see the blue shadow, it has been shown that this particular article has been added, right? So if I want to add folder, the folder also I can add, right? Suppose on desktop I have a folder, right? So desktop I have a folder called as a paper 123. So whole folder papers are been added, right? So see this as one can say blue shade, you can say shade, right? So this particular article also from that particular folder, so also has this blue shade. This is also has one can say blue shade, right? So from this is recently added from that particular folder, right? So likewise you can add the paper from folder as well. Then next is how we can add the manually, right? So number of time what happened that we have, what can say, we don't have any detailed PDF information, but we have an, can say, the abstract form of the information. We have read some kind of an abstract, right? And you have got some information, right? So as we have seen that the PDF generally are being added to this desktop, mainly desktop, but when we don't have the, what can say, freely available PDF, right? And but still you want to add that particular literature information to your you can say mainly desktop library. So what we can do is we can manually add that particular information, right? So for that particular purpose, what we have to do, we have to go to the manual option, right? So from here there are different type of, you can say, the referencing types are there: book section, case, computer program, right? So like there are various kind of options are there. What kind of literature that manually you want to add, right? So suppose I want to add an, can say, research journal articles, right? So what is the title of the article you can mention, right? Then you can mention the author name, right? So the criteria for the author name is what? Last name, then what? First name, right? Then again comma, last name and first name. Suppose I will write like my last name Damade, right? Then comma Manoj G, then okay, this only, the XYZ journal. Here is also XYZ, volume is also XYZ, is so XYZ, and page number also XYZ, right? So if you want to add the abstract information, you can add it. All this information you can add, and what you have to do, you have to say the save, right? So once you save, you have said save, right? So now see this, and you can see the blue shadow, this particular tab, the manually added reference or Damade MG, right? So this is, you can see the what kind of an this particular, you can see the detailed information about this particular